Blue and white porcelain is a type of underglaze color porcelain made from cobalt ore containing ooxide, painted with decorative patterns on a ceramic body, covered with a transparent glaze, and fired once at high temperature flame. Because the cobalt material turns blue after firing, it is called blue and white porcelain. The blue color is deep and blue-green, and the glaze has iron rust spots, commonly known as tin light. Some of the blue and white porcelain used in the Yuan Dynasty and the official kilns of the Ming Yongle and Xuande periods was made from this material. The cobalt belongs to the low-manganese and high-iron cobalt material. The blue and white porcelain has a deep blue-green color, stable coloration, and due to its high iron content and low manganese content, the cobalt presents a bright blue gem-like color after proper firing, and also has silver-black iron tetroxide crystal spots, which are also known as iron rust spots or tin light. Haze is a basic characteristic of cobalt. Regardless of the era of cobalt or its coloration, it always has haze to some extent. The haze of cobalt, during the Yongle and Xuande periods, is particularly obvious. With the introduction of cobalt, the second peak of development in the history of Chinese blue and white porcelain since the maturity of blue and white porcelain in the late Yuan Dynasty emerged, especially the blue and white porcelain during the Xuande period, which was combined with traditional Chinese culture and was commonly referred to as the king of blue and white. But after the ChengHua period, this blue material, cobalt, was rarely imported in large quantities, and the blue material in blue and white porcelain was gradually replaced by domestic produced material,